If you crack your knuckles, you might have heard that it can lead to arthritis. But is that really the case? Well, not exactly. The sound you hear when cracking your knuckles comes from gas bubbles popping in the fluid around your joints, not from any damage to the bones or cartilage. Studies have shown that there's no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. So, while it might annoy the people around you, cracking your knuckles won't make your joints swell up or stiffen over time. Follow for more.